Did you know there's a strange, dark object circling our planet? An object some scientists claim has been watching Earth for thousands of years? They call it the Black Knight satellite. And the deeper you dig into its story, the more impossible it becomes to explain. Our story begins in 1899. A young inventor named Nikola Tesla is experimenting with a high-voltage radio transmitter in Colorado. Late one night, his machine picks up a signal, faint, rhythmic, repeating every few seconds. Tesla writes in his notebook, "I feel as though I am listening to one planet calling to another." He believed genuinely that someone out there was trying to communicate. But Tesla had no idea that he might be hearing a signal from something already orbiting our world. Fast forward to the 1920s. Radio operators worldwide begin picking up long delay echoes, signals bouncing back after seconds instead of milliseconds. This shouldn't be possible. For a signal to return that late, it would have to hit something in space. Something solid. Something watching. One researcher even said, "It's as if something up there is listening and answering back late." Scientists tried to explain it. Atmospheric reflections, solar storms, equipment glitches. But none of those made sense. As the reports piled up, one chilling theory emerged. What if the signals were coming from an unknown object orbiting Earth, one not designed by humans? In 1954, long before humans launched satellites, newspapers started reporting something terrifying. Astronomers had spotted a dark object in the sky, moving in a polar orbit around Earth. But here's the catch. Polar orbits weren't even possible for humans until 1960. So how was something already up there? Decades before, when military radar detected it again in the late 1950s, officials remained silent. Some say the moment it was detected, one officer whispered, "Whatever that is, we didn't put it there." Then came 1998. A space shuttle mission, STS-88, takes a series of photographs. One image freezes the world. Suspended against the darkness of space is a twisted, black object, sharp angles, strange curves, nothing like a satellite, nothing like debris. NASA claimed it was a thermal blanket. But engineers point out something strange. Thermal blankets don't orbit the Earth for decades. And they definitely don't look like that. The photo became the most infamous evidence of the Black Knight satellite, and the mystery exploded across the world. In the 1960s, a Norwegian engineer named Jorgen Hals studied the mysterious radio echoes, the ones coming seconds too late. When researchers finally mapped the pattern, their jaws dropped. The delay seemed to match a star map from 13,000 years ago, as if the object, whatever it was sending coordinates from a time before human civilization even existed. Some researchers whispered, "It's ancient, older than our history, maybe older than humanity itself." So what is the Black Knight satellite? A derelict alien probe? A relic from a forgotten civilization? A cosmic watcher recording Earth for millennia? No one knows. But here's the part that sends chills down the spine. Every few years, astronomers detect an unknown object shifting in our orbit, as if it's changing position, correcting its path, or waking up. And every time that happens, radio operators report strange signals. It's almost as if it's still active, still listening, still watching. Ask NASA about it, and they'll shrug. Ask astronomers, and they'll quietly admit something. There's a large, unidentified object circling Earth, and its orbit, its behavior, its history, none of it makes sense. Because we only started putting satellites into space in 1957. But this object, people have been detecting it for over a century. So either it's a piece of debris with impossible abilities, or it's something else. Something we're not ready to understand. Maybe the Black Knight isn't here to threaten us. Maybe it's just watching, waiting, recording our rise from the darkness of prehistory to the blazing lights of the modern world.